In this video, we will show you how to run the pre-installation compatibility script to check whether your device has the required system components before installing the Chrome Readiness Assessment. A dedicated batch script has been created to verify the system prerequisites before installing the Chrome Readiness Assessment. For best results, it is recommended to run this script on both the target client PCs and the admin PC. Download the batch script from Resource section of the Chrome Readiness Assessment website. Click the Download button to download the batch script to your device. To run the script, right-click the batch script file. From the menu, select Run as Administrator. If you want to view the script's execution on the command prompt, right-click the batch script and open its properties. Copy the script location path. Next, open the command prompt. Paste the copied path into the command prompt. Make sure the path points to the batch script file. Press the Enter key. The script will now begin checking your system prerequisites. After the script completes, a success message will be displayed. If all prerequisite checks pass successfully, the message will confirm that the required .NET versions are installed, the operating system is compatible, and Chrome Readiness Assessment deployment may proceed. You can also view the script logs in the following folder path. This folder contains the prerequisite checklist log file created by the batch script. Open the prerequisite checklist log file. If the check passed, the log will confirm that your device is ready to use the Chrome Readiness Assessment. You have now completed the pre-installation compatibility check using the batch script.